I drank lemon water every morning for 30 days. See what happened to me. I've been concerned about my weight for as long as I can remember, always looking for more and more effective ways to lose a couple of pounds. So when I read that lemon water can make it happen, I didn't really hold out too much hope. However, this little experiment quickly turned into something that changed my appearance completely. Before I began my experiment, I did a little research. As it turns out, lemons are packed with numerous vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients, and antioxidants. According to the world's healthiest foods, just a quarter cup of lemon juice contains 31% of our recommended daily vitamin C intake, with an additional 3% of folate, which is good for your heart, and 2% of potassium, which balances your blood pressure. So it seemed like a great idea to combine it with water to not only maintain bodily fluids, but control calories as well. This hot combo was quickly named one of the best homemade drinks for detoxifying the body. Moreover, as more and more people started to get involved, it turned out that lemon water can shield our bodies from some serious problems, kidney stones for example. As a source of citric acid, that, according to UW Health, decreases the risk of getting new calcium stones, a half cup of lemon water alone contains the same amount of citric acid as prescription varieties. Experts from the Edison Institute of Nutrition also confirm lemon water's beneficial effects and recommend drinking it in the morning on an empty stomach. And that's exactly what I did. I woke up, squeezed the juice of half a lemon, mixed it with a third of a cup of boiling water and a quarter cup of cold filter water to reach a perfect balance, drank it, and ate my breakfast. And it wasn't long before I started to see some serious changes. The first thing I noticed was that my digestive system started to wake up instantly, even before I finished my drink. Before the experiment, I was rarely hungry in the morning, often skipping breakfast. Even if I did eat, my portions were very small. Now my belly growls and asks for food almost immediately, and I've started to enjoy breakfast way more. As I later learned, this is all thanks to lemon's ability to jumpstart our digestive process after a long night's rest. Another thing that surprised me was how much my mood changed after drinking lemon water. I used to be a hardcore night owl who couldn't stand mornings. But after 30 days of the experiment, everything changed. So I guess lemon water not only wakes your body up, but also lifts your mood. And I never thought that I would say this, but morning hours really started to grow on me. After the second week of regular lemon water consumption, my skin significantly improved. It's not like it was terrible before, but I still had blackheads, post-acne spots, and occasional pimples. Now the condition of my skin is way better, and I'm still working on it. But here's another nice fact. According to dermatologists, lemon water can help with wrinkles too. The antioxidants that lemons contain prevent cellular damage and protect the skin from free radicals that lead to aging. Lemons are also rich in vitamin C and have some powerful antibacterial properties that work wonders when it comes to fighting infections. Unfortunately, I'm one of those people who often get sick, but I feel like drinking lemon water regularly has made my immune system a bit stronger. Since the moment I made it part of my daily routine, I felt sick only once, and it quickly went away. Another nice effect of lemon water is fresh breath. Nothing much, but it's still very pleasant. Finally, the biggest achievement of my experiment was something I was looking forward to all along: weight loss. After just 3 weeks of drinking lemon water, I lost nearly 20 pounds. I'm almost at my ideal weight, and I can already see my body changing, especially my belly. The thing is, one of lemon water's endless benefits is that it cuts down the bloating that we can wrongly perceive as excess weight. As a result, there's a good chance that drinking it daily will make your stomach perfectly flat. Either way, you definitely won't be disappointed with the final results. If you want to follow in my footsteps and try drinking lemon water daily, there are a couple more things you have to know. In general, lemon water is safe for your body. However, it still contains citric acid, which can hurt sensitive tooth enamel. The solution is simple. Always drink lemon water through a straw, and don't forget to rinse your mouth afterward. If you have any teeth problems, it's better to visit your dentist before proceeding with this experiment. Drinking simple lemon water for 30 days straight can become boring from time to time, so whenever I got tired of it, I just replaced it with different variations. Don't worry, it won't hurt the weight loss process or any other improvements that your body is going through. On the contrary, every lemon water variation has unique benefits that your body will certainly love. First off, try cucumber lemon water. Thinly slice half a lemon and a quarter of a cucumber and add them to water with a bit of ice. Let it sit in the fridge for a couple of minutes, and it's ready. Cucumbers are loaded with potassium, which lowers blood pressure, reduces puffiness, which, let's be real, we all need in the morning, and boosts metabolism. Add lemons to the mix, and you'll get the perfect detox drink. Another one of my personal favorites is warm lemon water with honey. If you want to try it, boil 1 cup of water and add the juice of 1 medium lemon and 2 teaspoons of honey. If you do everything right, the honey will dissolve. Let it cool for a bit and it'll be perfectly fine to drink. It's better to use organic honey for this recipe since it has more healthy elements and nutrients, which your body can use as fuel. This low-calorie drink will detoxify your body just as efficiently as simple lemon water, and it will provide additional help with melting fat and making your skin perfect. Pairing lemon with mint is also a good idea. It's the best option for giving your energy and mood a double boost. If you're interested, juice half a fresh lemon, add it to warm water, and finish it off with a few sprigs of mint. Finally, if your main goal is to lose weight, choose lemon ginger water. Both lemons and ginger can significantly improve your metabolism. Plus, this is the type of drink you can consume throughout the day to get rid of toxins. You should start with washing, peeling, and slicing 1 ounce of ginger root. When that's done, put it in a jug filled with water and leave it like that in the fridge overnight. The next morning, pour the water into a glass and heat it until it becomes lukewarm. Add the juice of a medium-sized lemon and drink the finished mix during the day. It's better to keep it cold, but lukewarm ginger water will work too. So you have quite a variety of options here. Pick the one you like best and go for it. So what do you think? Would you like to conduct this kind of experiment yourself? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and click subscribe.